up, everybody? I'm Nick. We're at World of Concrete. Let's see what we got.
Jose, looks like you got a beautiful new core drill. Can you tell me a little bit more about it?
Certainly. As you guys may know, MX Fuel first launched the handheld core drill. Our focus was agility, versatility, and safety on the site. The MX Fuel core rig is us stepping a little bit bigger and a little bit bolder into the space of coring into reinforced concrete. So with the MX Fuel core rig, right now we're projecting a launch of Q4 2023. Retail sitting somewhere in the area of around $7,000, working out the finer details. But the exciting thing here is that the max diameter is going to be up to 14-inch diameter, which is more than double what we provide on the handheld.
Oh yeah.
What this is really going to be tackling is those mechanical, electrical, and plumbing users, GC and concrete users who are performing their own coring and are able to run up to 14 inches on their own sites.
So do you have any idea on runtime?
Yeah, absolutely. So right now we're qualifying runtime as 4 10-inch holes per battery charge. Important to note that those 10-inch holes, or those 10-inch diameter holes, are 6 inches deep into concrete through number 5 rebar.
Okay, and is that with what battery?
So this is a 12-0 pack. This is one of our new battery packs that we're developing alongside the different projects you see here.
Yeah, it's exciting. Is this what it's going to come with then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, kit's going to include 2 of these 12 amp hour packs as well as a supercharger.
Awesome. Well, let's see it. See it cut.
I'd love to run it.
So I see this quick change here.
Yeah, so that's one of our user feedback driven features. So we noticed with the handheld core drill that users were struggling a great deal to use wrenches and get their bits off. We started thinking of a way, how could we universally sort of release that tension from the bit? So what this is a collar. We just saw me core, so that's, in theory, that bit should be tight enough that I'm not able to remove it by hand.
Yeah.
But by twisting this collar, I'm able to release that tension and spin the bit right off. Whenever I'm ready to switch back into a new bit, thread it back on and we're ready to go. Yeah, that's been really exciting for our users who have had to struggle through 4s, 8s, and 12s. Huge relief.
So what is the travel on it?
So the travel distance downward, we have a gauge here up to 65 centimeters down. A lot of that is going to be determined by the length of the bit as well, yeah.
All right, and is there a vacuum pump, or is it just...
So we are going to launch this with 2 accessories. It's going to have a vacuum pad that allows you to vacuum onto any flat surface, and that's going to go up to 14 inches in diameter. So it would serve as a full replacement for the anchors potentially. Yeah, so you're able to use this 1/2-inch square drive handle, which is actually how you get around the entirety of the tool. Put it into this bevel point, and then you can tilt the tool back, or make sure to tighten up whenever you are coring up against the wall. But I'll give a quick demonstration of that.
Yeah, that's all. Oh no. Sweet.
So the interface is very user-driven. First off, we have a new feature unique to the rig, that 10% hole start mode. So what that's going to do is spin the bit at 10% of the gear speed, so you can mark the teeth of the diamond segments into the concrete, not risk any skipping or anything like that. Stay precise. That's a digital level right there in the center, live, letting us know that we are off-center slightly. Yep. And then right here for the performance gauge, this is traffic light color coded to indicate to users that they should either push more, pull back, or they're just right.
Awesome. And this is like a 2-part, like turn that.
Oh, correct. So that's our arming button. So that power is activated, and then run the switch.
So here we have our new MX Fuel 6-inch green concrete saw. First cordless green concrete saw on the market today, eliminating gas headaches but delivering gas-like performance. Key features here. You're going to get up to 160 feet on 1 battery charge.
All right.
Yep. Everything you need to operate the tool at the touch of your hands here. Very, very easy to operate, and we delivered some very innovative features that make this application much easier. Up to 1.5-inch depth capacity on this unit here. So in addition to our MX battery here that we have on our unit.
So is that the new battery?
Oh, that's our new 8.0, yep. So again, 160 feet.
8.0.
Yep, 160 feet on this battery here.
Nope.
This will be kitted with 2 of our 8 amp hour batteries. And combined with this unit, you're also gonna get your supercharger.
Okay.
That supercharger.
Now we saw a 12.0 over there.
Yes.
Is that adds more than 160 feet?
The 12.0 will increase your runtime.
Okay.
Anywhere from 200 to 220 feet per charge, yep. kind of walking through some of the speed modes here. We have a simple on-off switch to get the blade running. We have a blade break-in, which is when you put a new blade on. It's going to kind of reduce the speed down to 75%, open up the diamonds on that blade, and then increase it back to full speed. One feature that's been a huge showstopper here is our guide arm lever. So today, when someone is completing their cut and coming close to a wall, user will have to walk up to the front of the tool, lift this by hand while blade is running. Safety issue, disrupts your cut. Very simple solution. We bring this to your handlebar, so you do not have to worry about disrupting your cut and can complete your cut just like that. Another innovative feature here is something very simple, is our depth adjustment. So competitive units today, if you want to adjust the depth on your blade, you have to get out tools. It's difficult to get some accuracy there. We developed a very simple solution here. Pull the pin, and you can toggle between 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1.25 inch, and 1.5 inch here.
That's awesome.
LED lights up front, giving you ultimate visibility right here.
Oh wow, okay.
Yep. Vacuum board, of course, for our dust extraction. Table 1 compliant. These pieces right here are running power to our system up here. We do have pins that remove to fold the handlebars down for easier movement storage. We also have an adjustable handlebar. So right now it's set for someone who's maybe a little shorter. If you were to run it, I'd say let's pull this in, and we would
lift it up.
Lift up the handlebar, snap it into place. And now you have a more comfortable position for someone of your height and stature.
And is this lifting or is this just protecting?
This is a crane picking point. So if you wanted to shoot it up on a site, absolutely. This was poured probably 72 hours ago. So it is no longer in the green zone. We have a purple blade on here, which is designed for the hardest concrete. Gonna feel a little bit more resistance maybe than you would with green concrete here. But yeah, you wanna jump into a demo?
Yeah, give it a shot.
Sure.
So, blade is compatible
yes, so
with other competitors.
Takes a triangle arbor blade, compatible with any 6-inch blade that uses that standard arbor. Yes, correct. So we will have our own lineup of 6-inch blades. We have optimized our blades as well for faster cutting, up to 30% faster cutting and longer runtime with this tool. In addition, we'll also have the replacement skid plate and joint protectors for crosscuts.
Today, excited to introduce 2 new products that we're going to be launching later this year. We got the MX Fuel 24-inch walk behind edging trowel, and over there we have the MX Fuel 36-inch walk behind trowel.
Thank you.
Both trowels deliver 5 horsepower performance, giving you the ability to pan, finish, and burn in the concrete floor if need be. In addition, obviously being battery powered, there's no gas emissions, so you can have the confidence and ease of troweling indoors, and also have a safer and more comfortable troweling experience outdoors as well. One of the things in terms of feedback that we've gotten is it runs a lot smoother, less vibrations, easier on the hands and joints, as well as being able to feel the concrete cure better. So you can adjust the pitch or the speed quicker. The runtime on the 24-inch unit is 35 minutes full throttle. It'll come with 2 batteries and a supercharger, and will retail around $6,000. The 36-inch unit the runtime is 25 minutes wide open, and then it will come with 3 12-amp-hour batteries, as well as a supercharger, and will retail around $7,500.
3 12-amp-hour batteries.
That is correct.
I mean, this one got some nice features here in terms of adjustments, and then I'm assuming this just folds
That is correct. It folds, so easy portability for contractors, whether they're on a truck or needing to transport it on a job site.
So in about 25 minutes, how much square footage is that going to cover?
So this one is the runtime is 35 minutes. So it's about, when we look at it, about probably 100, 160 over 3 to 4 or 5 passes.
Sure.
The 36-inch walk behind trowel, we're going to look at the square footage, probably about 2,000 square feet of panning.
Are these bases somewhat unique to Milwaukee?
So these are
blades?
These are going to be very similar to what users are accustomed to. The 2-foot edging machine has a rotating ring, so you can get close to the edge as well as any obstructions. So a lot of the users like to use that, saving time, energy, manpower. And the 36-inch is used to finish the rest of the floor.
Got it. Can you give us a little demonstration here?
Yep, for sure.
So in terms of safety, if you let go, is it gonna stop?
Yep, so we have a centrifugal switch here.
Okay.
If the user, for whatever reason, releases their hand, instead of just continuing to spin, it will shut off.
You've seen those videos.
You don't want to be that
Try
guy.
it. No.
MX Fuel 20-inch plate compactor. It'll be the fastest plate compactor on the market, but it doesn't sacrifice compaction. We actually hit harder than gas, which allows us to travel faster. On top of that, no gas headaches, easy to control. All of your operation is up on the handlebar, push button, fast, slow, and also a reverse feature. This is the first plate compactor in this class that'll have a reverse feature.
Pull back. So what's the runtime?
Yeah, so we're going to launch with a new battery. This is our HD 12.0 battery.
12.0, okay.
Yep, we get 30 minutes of consecutive runtime, but because of the travel speed, that equates to 4,500 square feet, which is essentially a basketball court on one battery.
4,500 square feet. Wow.
Yeah, so we're going to launch. We're announcing at World of Concrete. It's open for pre-orders. We're going to be available for shipping starting in Q4 of this year.
Okay.
It's going to launch kitted with 2 of those HD 12.0 batteries and a supercharger, which charges one of those batteries in 60 minutes for $54.99 with the tool.
Can you give us a little demonstration?
Yeah, absolutely.
So what is the reverse? How does that change it? Does it spin differently?
Yeah, sure. So on a gasoline product,
Yeah.
your PTO is able to only operate that exciter in one direction.
Okay.
But with motor control, we're able to reverse that direction, allowing us to go forward and backwards.
Awesome.
That's a huge advantage for asphalt users, as well as anyone who's doing specific grade. Because normally when you pull them backwards, it digs into the ground, messes up the grade, adds lines, whereas we're able to just back out of that very easily.
Yeah. Oh, that's
you got
awesome.
it.
Many additional accessories or?
Yeah, we'll launch with 3 accessories. We don't have them here at the show. There'll be a water tank.
Okay, yeah.
There'll be a wheel kit and also a paver pad for your patio installers that set pavers.
Nice.
I didn't mention there's also a folding handlebar on this, which allows it to fold down into a compact space. That's great so that you can hook and strap it to carry it around a job site without that handlebar swinging around, causing safety issues and durability concerns. Also great for storage. It fits right under a tonal bed in a pickup truck or under a shelf when you're not using it.
Perfect. Well, that's all I got.
Awesome,
Thanks
man.
so much.
Thanks for stopping by.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you again, too.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.
That's pretty sweet.